Quiz 5 is a recreation of the Unit 5 L1 assignment that you guys completed. And so therefore the Unit 5 L1 PowerPoint is going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to complete this quiz all the way up until the checkout method, which creates the output label. And so I'll walk you through that. But real quickly, I want to go through and show you how you could have earned the bonus, which was being able to add in validators. So in the details view, we're going to go to Edit Templates. For the name field, we need 2 required field validators, one in the Edit Item template and one in the Insert Item template. So you're going to set the ID, control to validate, display, error message, for color, set focus on error, the text, and the validation group. For this one will be Edit because it is in the Edit Item template. And for the Insert Item template, the validation group will be Insert. Then you're going to go to the price field. Again, there'll be a required field validator in the Edit Item template with the proper configurations that you can see here on the right, setting the validation group to Edit because we are in the Edit Item template. A required field validator is also necessary in the Insert Item template. Properties are as shown here on the right, with the validation group being set to Insert. You also need a compare validator for this price field. The properties are going to be set here, as they're shown here. Make sure that you're setting the operator to greater than, the type to double, and the value to compare 0. Again, because we're in the Edit Item template, our validation group is going to be Edit. A compare validator is also needed in the Insert Item template. Properties are the same as the last one. Again, be sure that your operator is set to greater than, your type double, and your value to compare 0. Also making sure that the validation group on this one is Insert because we are working in the Insert Item template. Now we can end template editing. You needed to add 2 validation summaries, setting the show message box to true and the show summary to false. For the first one, validation group will be Edit, and for the second validation summary, the validation group will be Insert. Now you did not have to do the show message box true and the show summary false, but what that does is it makes it so that our error message shows up as a pop-up window instead of a bulleted list at the bottom of our web page. So then I'll go through and I'll create the checkout method, which you'll see here. But I'll delete that and I'll start over. With our page break. And we're going to use a for each loop that will loop through the grid view and pull the item name for our output label. make our output label visible. Notice that our cell reference here is cell 2 from the grid view. That's because our cell count starts at 0, as you may remember, and so our select field is cell 0. The ID field, which we've hidden, would be cell 1, and the name would be cell 2, which is what we want here. That will complete this quiz. Again, if you need additional assistance setting up data sources, template fields, and/or validators, please refer to the Unit 5 L1 PowerPoint, which once again has step-by-step instructions for doing those things. Have a good weekend.